So, as they rolled me in, my mom kept saying, my mom was crying, because she loves me like that. She kept crying and crying. But I told her, you know what? I thought it's all good. I can handle it. So, they rolled me in. I told my mom goodbye. My sister and dad were at school, so they didn't get to see me relax like that.
I felt, well, first I felt scared, and then my mom brought some friends over to pray for me, and felt okay then, because felt like I was safe, and then...
They rolled me in, and then they told me what's going to happen, cracked a couple of jokes, and...
There was like 4 hours of waiting between when they said, hey, we have lungs, and from when I just don't remember anything, because I don't know if they just knocked me out because I couldn't sleep or anything, because it was like 2 in the morning.
Like, the day I got an IV put in, I was really drowsy and I could not walk, which surprised me because I thought I'd be able to walk, but I couldn't.
It was kind of like, oh, well, is it going to happen? Because they can cancel at the last minute if they see that the organs aren't good enough. So there was still like, oh, it's so close, but it could be taken away just as fast. And everything proceeded, and then I kind of forget everything.
I believe what they sedated me with was strawberry flavored, what's the word, please? Well, some anesthesia, there we go, thank you, Mom. Yeah, strawberry flavored anesthesia, and I had a wonderful dream. I can't remember it at all.
So it's like, can't eat before the transplant, can't eat after. It's like, oh, why do I go through this?
But when I woke up, I had a tube in my mouth and one in my nose, and it felt so quick, and then I saw my parents and I tried to write something down, but my hand was too sleepy to do it, so it was hard, and then I fell back to sleep.
I remember from 2 weeks out, and that's like a long time to just like be dead space.
And I don't really remember that day when I woke up because I was on a lot of heavy pain medication, so a lot of it gave me amnesia.
You're kind of on morphine for a long time, so apparently I was awake, but I don't really remember anything.
My mom said that for my central line I had like 11 or more tubes hooked up to an IV pole.
Like the first thing that I remember was they were taking a tube out of my throat that was like breathing for me.
Like with my central line where it was, I still get the pain I got in my whole shoulder, and some people it goes away, some people will always have it. Something you just got to get used to. I don't like that because I feel like something's gonna happen, but it's just random ghost pain.
I couldn't believe it. Like nothing ever happened, except that the only difference was I was in bed, a bit fatter, with a urine bag hanging from the side. I didn't even put it there. It just appeared out of nowhere.
And from when that happened on, I remember, because having taken out some of the tubes and stuff, I was able to be taken off some of the pain meds and stuff, and I wasn't in such a haze. But from then on, it's still really vague, and I only remember a couple things. But that would probably be my first memory.
And I was really full of energy, which was really weird. But I was not allowed to sit up or anything.
So I went there, and I remembered the first thing that I wanted was food.
And I couldn't eat for like 24 or 48 hours or something, which really sucked because I was really, really hungry for that whole time.